Hey, property investors, the ATO is coming for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to stay under the radar. Did you know that 9 out of 10 rental property owners are getting their tax returns wrong? One of the main things the ATO is targeting is whether you're claiming repairs and maintenance correctly. And you need to know the difference. Here's some examples to illustrate. Let's say a kid accidentally throws a ball through your investment property's window. Fixing it would be considered a repair. It's something you can claim as an immediate deduction. But if you decide all the windows are getting pretty old and it's time to replace them all, that would be considered an improvement and it has to be depreciated over time. But it's not always clear cut. Now take this timber fence, for example. Now if you were to replace these timber palings, that would be considered a repair. But let's face it, you're probably going to knock it down and build a new one, maybe out of brick or stone. Even though the original fence was clearly in a state of disrepair, the ATO would class that as a capital improvement that needs to be depreciated over 40 years. It's easy to see how investors get it wrong, because what might seem like a genuine repair is not in the eyes of the ATO. From my experience, they're hard to argue with. So make sure you and your accountant are clear on what's a repair versus an improvement on your tax return. And if you like this hottest 100 depreciation tip, check out number 5, where I discuss depreciating older properties. There's a link below.